Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and I welcome you to the NAVODAYA coaching classes for maths. So let's get started, dear children. So let's see what we have for today. Today we are going to focus on LCM and HCF. LCM, you must be knowing what is LCM and what is HCF. So the full form of LCM is least common multiple and HCF is highest common factor, right? So let's see how to find out the LCM and HCF of the numbers. Are you ready? So children, before we start, let me tell you that we are live on YouTube. So I would request you all to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. And there is a chat box under the video, right, under the live streaming. I am constantly keeping an eye on the chat box so that whatever questions or queries you have, you can ask me in the chat box and I'll answer you in the real time. Okay. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything that you want to ask, you can make use of that chat box. And even if you want to answer the questions, you can do there. So I am keeping an eye there and looking forward to your answers. Okay, so let's get started. I hope my screen is visible to you all. NAVODAYA coaching classes for maths. Today's topic is LCM and HCF using division method. All right. So first we are going to focus on LCM of numbers. Okay, using long division method. Now, how to find the LCM of numbers using division method is first, let's say the number is 4 and 10. Okay, so 4 here, 10 here. We are going to make a line and place both 4 and 10 over there. I need to find the common factor. The common factor is 2, 4, and all like this. I know that 10 is divisible by both 2 and yeah, I think only 2. Let's see. 10 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So I have taken 2 first. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 5 is 10. Right? I need to bring it to 1 till the time I get 1. Now 2 times 1 is 2. And I know that 5 is not divisible by 2. So I'll just write 5 there. Then 5 times. All right. I'm so sorry for that. Let's continue. Of 4 and 10. I know that 4 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So I have taken 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Again, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times, I don't see 5 in the table of 2. So I'll write a 5 there only. Now, next is 1 and 5. I know that 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. At last, I got 1 and 1. I'll stop now. So now, let's find the LCM of 4 and 10. So the LCM of 4 and 10 is 2 times 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. The answer is 20. You have to keep on doing that by the time you get 1. Next, 6, 8, and 10. Same you have to do for 3 digits. 3 numbers actually. 6, 8, 10. I need to find out the first common factor, right? First, I need to find out the common factor. I can see that 2 is the common factor. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10. Now, as 2 is going on, I'll take 2 only. 3 is not there in the table of 2. So I'll just write 3. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times I don't see 5. So 5 is there. Again, 2 has not become 1 yet. 2 times 1 is 2, 5 here. Now I will continue. Okay, I'll continue now. Over here, 3 I'll take first. You have to take the smallest first. So 3 ones are 3. 1 here. 5 is not there, so I'll write 5 like that only. Now 5 I'll take up. 5 ones are 5. Right? So if I now need to find the LCM of 6, 8, 10, that is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. You know how I multiply? Like I try to make the numbers in such a way that their product should be 10. So I'll do like 2 fives are 10. Now 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Yeah, 12 times 10 is 120. So their LCM, least common multiple, is 120. Easy? So I can say that LCM of 6, 8, and 10 is equal to 120. Let's do the next one. This time it's only 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Come on, try to do it. Come on, dear children. After this, I'll tell you the HCF. Then we will do some mixed questions. Come on, come on, come on. I hope it's done. All right. So let's see. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Both have a common factor, which is 2. Now, 2, I need to finish this 4 first. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is not there, so 2 times 1 is 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So what is the LCM of 6 and 8? Let's see. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. Let's do this. 3, 9, and 15. Come on, dear children, you are doing great. 3, 9, 15. LCM of 3, 9, and 15. I can see some messages in the live chat. Good evening. A very good evening. Oh, wow. Great. Great to see your responses. Great, dear children. I also want your answer. I'm giving you some time to solve it. I also want your answer. Children, please share this with your friends also so that they can also take the benefit of this these coaching classes. They can also join and learn from these live sessions. Kindly share it with your friends also and ask them to subscribe to the channel. I hope by now you got the answer. If not, please be quick, giving you some more seconds. Come on, come on. Children, I'm waiting for your response in the chat box. All right. So I can see here that none of them is divisible by 2. I'll take the next number, which is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 again. 3 ones are 3. 5 is not there. So I have written 5 only. 5 times 1 is 5. So here the LCM of 3, 9 and 15 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. The LCM is 45. Very good. I can see one answer in the chat box. Very nice. Children, that's the benefit of using this chat. Good job. It's the name Durga. Great. Good. Very nice. Keep doing like this, children. I would really like to take your name and tell everyone that you are doing great. Keep it up. All right. Very good. Now let's go to the next question. And here we will learn how to find the HCF of numbers using division method. After this, we will do club questions. So over here, how to find the HCF is, let's say the numbers are 4 and 10. You have to make the smallest number as the divisor and the greater number as the dividend. Okay? You just have to divide them. Smallest is 4. So I'll make 4 as the divisor and 10 is the dividend. Is this clear to you till here? 4 is the divisor, which is the smallest one, and the greatest one is 10. That is the dividend. 4 times 2 is 8. Now here I got the remainder as 2. Now this remainder that you have got here, this remainder will become the divisor. And the divisor which was there before, that is 4, will come as a dividend, will be treated as a dividend. I repeat, the remainder will be treated as the divisor, and the divisor which was there earlier now will be treated as the dividend. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. You got the remainder as 0. Now you can stop. But then what will be the HCF of 4 and 10? That is the question. So the HCF of 4 and 10 is the last divisor that you have got, which is 2. HCF of 4 and 10 is 2. Okay? You just have to divide, smaller number being the divisor, greater being the dividend. Once you got the remainder, that remainder will become the divisor, and the divisor earlier will now become the dividend. And you have to keep on doing it until you get the remainder as 0. Let's see. HCF of 8 and 10. 8 is smaller than 10. So 8 will be the divisor. 10 will be the what? Dividend. 8 times 1 is 8. 2 as the remainder. Now this 2 will become the divisor, and the divisor which was earlier, that is 8, will become the dividend now. Now we will continue with our division. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 remainder. So what will be the HCF of 8 and 10? Is the last divisor that you have got, which is 2. Okay? That's how you have to do it. Children, is that clear to you? If yes, you can also show me a thumbs up. Like you can also drop a thumbs up in the chat thing that's there under the chat box. Kindly drop a thumbs up or say yes, it is clear, so that I can understand that it is clear to you. Okay. Matter. I'm getting messages there, and it feels so great to see that. All right, perfect. Good job, dear children. It's amazing. All right. So next thing is HCF of 24 and 40. Try to do it by yourself. 24 is small, smaller than 40. So 24 will be here. 40 will be treated as a dividend. Let's do this. Come on. Super easy again. I hope it's done. Children, I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box, in the live chat. All right, perfect. So let's do this. 24 times 1 is 24. This will become 10. This will become 3. It's 16. I got the remainder as 16. Now, 16 will be the divisor. 24, which was the divisor earlier, will be now the dividend. 16 times 1 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So, which is more than 24. So, I'll take only this. Let's subtract. 4 will become 14. 2 will become 1. 8 here. Now, 12, which was the divisor earlier, will become the dividend now. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 here. The divisor, which was 8, the earlier divisor will now become the dividend. 4 times 2 is 8. That means the HCF of 24 and 40 is 4. Means the last divisor is the HCF of 24 and 40. Is that clear to you? Not 8, it's 4. Because the last divisor is 4, no? That's why. Is that clear to you now? The one who has answered 8, is that clear to you? See, if you will practice, then only you will get to know that, like if you'll answer here, then only you will get to know that whether you have done it correctly or not. If you will just keep it to yourself, you'll never get to know that what's wrong. Is it even wrong or right? So kindly share your answers and try to do the questions by yourself without anyone's help, even before I do it on the board. All right, LCM now. Now we are going to do mixed questions of LCM and HCF. Okay, you have learned how to find the LCM with division method. You have learned how to find the HCF with division method. So do them. It's LCM of 6, 15, and 8. 6, 15, and 8. Come on, giving you time to do it. 6, 15, and 8. Oh, wait. Yes, wait a second. Just a moment. There is some correction over here. It should be 16. I'm so sorry about this. It should be 16. Thank you so much. So here, the, one second, where is it now? Yeah. So here, there is a mistake that I have done over here. It is 16 was the divisor here, right? So 8 times 2 is 16. Hence, the HCF is 8. I'm so sorry about that. HCF is 8. Thank you so much. It's so amazing. So over here, it was by mistake I wrote some other number, but earlier the divisor was 16, so I should have written 16 here. But I wrote some other number by mistake, so here I have written 16 now. 8 times 2 is 16. Now it is correct. 8 is the HCF. All right. Next one, LCM of 6, 15, and 8. 6, 15, and 8. Come on, dear children. All right. So here, I'll start with 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 15 is not divisible. 2 times 4 is 8. 2, 3 is not divisible. 15 not divisible. 2 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Again, 3 is not divisible. 15 is not divisible. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And then finally, 5 times 1 is 5. The LCM of 6, 15, and 8. Let's see. What is the LCM of 6, 15, and 8? It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 times 10 is 120. 120 is the LCM of 6, 15, and 8. Children, I hope now it is clear to you. Let's go to the next question. Again, HCF it is. This question is so amazing. 20 here, 10 as the divisor. Come on. The HCF is here, right in front of you. Uh, 100? No. 10 times 2 is 20. Zero remainder, nothing to carry forward. So here, the HCF, highest common factor of 10 and 20 is 10. You don't need to go forward because the remainder came as 0. 10 times 2 is 20. So the HCF is 10. Last and the first divisor is that only, right? So HCF is 10. Okay? Easy? Yeah, 10 it is. And I'm so happy to see your responses in the live chat. Please keep doing like this. 4, 15, and 10. Find out the LCM now. 4, 15, and 10. LCM. Come on, come on. All right. Is it done? I'm still waiting for your responses. Okay, so let's do it. 2, I'll start with 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 15 is not there. 2 times 5 is 10. Again, I'll take up 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 15 is not there. 5 is not there. Now I'll take 5 because 15 and 5. No, I'll not take 5. I'll take the smaller number than that because 15 is still divisible by 3, right? So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 like that only. 5 times 1 is 5. So the LCM of 4, 15, and 10 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's do it. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 10 is 60. LCM of 4, 15, and 10 is 60. All right. HCF of 21 and 24. 21 is smaller than 24. We'll be doing like this. Come on. Yes, 60. Perfect. So glad to see your responses. All right, dear children. So 21, 24, 24 is being divided by 21 here. 21 times 1 is 20. 21 times 1 is 21. I got the remainder as 3. Now 21 was the divisor earlier. I'll make it as the dividend, right? Now I'll do it like 3 times 7 is 21. So here I can see that HCF of 21 and 24 is what? The last dividend, the last divisor, which is 3. Okay. Last divisor, which is 3, is the HCF of 21 and 24. Yep. Yes, 3, Durga. 4, 5, and 10. LCM of 4, 5, and 10. Come on. 4, 5, and 10. Come on, be quick. sorry. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 is not there, so I've written 5 like that. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 2 times 1 is 2. 5 there, because they both are not divisible by 2. Oh, it's Mohan. All right, that's great. Great, Mohan, you are responding so nicely. So next is, both of the numbers are not divisible by 2. So next is 5. I can see that I'm very close to get the LCM. And here it is, LCM of 4, 5, 10. So it is 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. It is 20. LCM of 4, 5, and 10 is 20. Means the least common multiple of 4, 5, and 10 is 20. Okay? 20. Now, let's see the next one. HCF of 30 and 36. 30 is smaller than 36. So 30 will be the divisor. 36 will be the dividend. Do it. Waiting for your response. And children, try to increase your speed. Okay, so 30 times 1 is 30. 6 here. Now 30 was the divisor. Let's take it as the dividend. Okay. Over here, 6 times 5 is 30. 0, 0. I can say, oh wait. Yeah, I can say that the HCF of 30 and 36 is 6. Okay. HCF of 30 and 36 is 6. Thirty and 36 is 6. Next, LCM of 16 and 12. What is the LCM of 16 and 12? Let's do it. Sixteen and 12. So 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. I'll take away 2 only. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 right there only, because 3 is not divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 here. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So what I have done here is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3 right there only, 3 1s are 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and then 16 times 3, 48. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 12. Right? I hope it's clear to you. All right, we'll do one more question of HCF, 16 and 24. 24 is greater than 16, so that will be the dividend, and 16 is the divisor. 16, please do it. So 16 times 1 is 16. We have done a similar kind of question. 8 here, 16. Yeah, we have done this. Yeah. So here I can say that the HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. Right? So with this, children, we are done with our today's class. I hope you understood whatever we have done today. And I'm expecting you to practice these questions, like take any two numbers and find their HCF and LCM with the given method, like the division method. So that's all for our today's class, dear children. I'll see you soon again. By the time, take care and have fun. See you.